Hello everybody, welcome back. So I was looking over my old tutorials and stuff and they're all garbage. The first one I ever made was actually the first thing I ever made with CV2 without watching a tutorial or anything. So I thought I'd improve it because, obviously I'm a lot better at CV2 now. So yeah, I'm just gonna go create on my maker pen, go shapes. I'm gonna create a cube. You can also create a prop if you want, as long as it's physical. So configure the shape, hit physical, and I'm going to make mine grabbable as well. And you'll notice physical when we drop it and it falls to the floor. Next, you're going to go palette, go gadgets, CV2 gadgets. On the second page, get a toggle button V2 and just put that flat against the wall. And yeah, that's all we need to do for now. Then I'll go into first person and I'll do the rest of the tutorial. So we're going to go CV2 or circuits V2 at the top right here. Go search chips and just go ahead and get a velocity set. And just move that way over to the right because it's going to be like a race basically. This is the start, this is the finish. Gotta go through here and get to here. And then there's going to be a bunch of in between. So the first thing we're going to need is a if. Okay, and hook it up to the is pressed on the toggle button as the condition. And that'll be a Boolean input. So when this is pressed, when it gets an input, if it's pressed, it'll go through then. If it's not pressed, it'll go through else. Next, we're going to need a event receiver. And then I'll just put that above the toggle button. Configure it, hit chip settings, events, scroll down and hit update 30 Hz. Wire the execution output of this event receiver to the execution input on this if. On the then, actually what we're going to do first is search hand and get left hand position and player right hand position. And wire both of those to the player who pressed the toggle button V2. And we're also going to get a distance and make the top and bottom. It doesn't matter which one's on top. And we're just going to keep this for later. And then we're going to go and get a subtract. Okay, and whichever hand is your dominant hand, I believe goes on top in the top value, and then the other one goes in the bottom value. And that difference is going to be the direction of, the cube or thing. And then the then on the if will be the set velocity on the velocity set. So for the distance, we actually need one more chip for that, and that's the multiply. So we'll make that the top value or bottom value, it doesn't matter. And we'll set the other value to about anywhere from 10 to 30, I'd say is good, maybe 40. And let's make that the speed. And basically how fast you want the cube is going to depend on what this bottom value is. And next we actually need to get the cube. So to get the cube, we're going to get a rec room object get all with tag. And I'll just move that over here. In the future, you're going to want to get a get first with tag, and then you won't need the next chip that we need, which is a get element. Get element. And we're going to wire that into the list and keep the index at 0, and the value will be the target. And we're going to make this tag the tag that we made, that we gave to the cube over there. I don't think I gave one to the cube before, so I'm going to give it subscribe. Just a random, word that I picked with no reason, and I'll make this subscribe. Now, one reason this might not work is if there is multiple objects with the tag subscribe, or well, whatever tag you use. And another reason this might not work is if your heat or your circuits stuff, your CPU, your net, whatever, it's too high. So CPU currently is at 1%, net is at 0, and that's basically like ink, but for CV2. So now if I press the button, I see its shadow, there it is. I can throw it, I can move it around with my hands, and that's that, it's very basic. Hello everybody, I hope you like this, give me some suggestions of what you want me to do, because I don't really know what I want to do. I've done pretty much everything I can think of for CV2. I've done, telekinesis, the force. I've done any kind of flying mechanics I could think of. I've done so many things, and I've just run out of creativity. I can speak English, basically, and you guys are pretty creative. I've seen some of your suggestions; they're very good. It depends on the suggestion. But yeah, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, whatever.